experiment? A balloon with
Water.
water.
And then a door.
Yes.
And some paper. And then
Matches.
matches.
Yes. Use matches. So, in this in this experiment, we really need the supervision of adults because we will be using fire. Start silent. In this experiment, I want you to try to push the balloon down and fit it inside the jar. Can you push it down and fit inside the jar? Does it fit?
No.
No?
No.
Cannot fit inside.
It's all a little balloon.
Oh, let's do it again. Yeah, it cannot fit inside. Do you want this balloon to fit inside? You wanna see? Okay, let's do it. Okay.
I don't know what happened to you.
Alright, let's do it. Wait. Be careful.
Why
Don't
you
do
blow
this.
it? Why you blow it?
See? The balloon shakes. And then, look at the balloon.
It fits.
It fits inside. Let's hit the balloon. Look at the balloon went inside. A while ago, we cannot push the balloon inside, right? It's not fit inside. But look what happened. Look what happened. See? Remove the balloon from the jar. Try it. It's hard. You do it. Try your best. Don't be afraid. Nothing will happen.
It is a balloon.
Oh, see? You're able to remove. Why it's so hard to remove the balloon? Because of the pressure inside, see? At the beginning of the experiment, the air pressure inside and outside of the jar are equal. Once the burnt paper is put inside the jar, the air inside becomes hot. This hot air pushes the balloon up, trying to escape inside the jar, which causes the balloon to shake at first. Once the fire goes out, the air in the jar cools down. And since the balloon is blocking the air from outside, no new air is coming inside the jar, which creates a low air pressure inside. The high pressure outside the jar pushes the balloon down. That's why the balloon is being sucked inside the jar. How does it implies with weather? Temperature affects air pressure. As warm air rises, it creates a low pressure. As cold air sinks down, it creates a high pressure. When a weather forecast shows a low pressure area, it usually indicates a stormy weather. When high pressure is present, it indicates a good weather.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you had fun and learned a lot. Have a pleasant day, everyone. Goodbye!